now it is the state government institutions which are to be closed and exempted. So officers of the state or union territory governments, their autonomous bodies, corporations, etc., it shall remain closed. And of course, there are exceptions: police, home guards, civil defense, fire and emergency services, disaster management and prisons, then district administration and treasury, electricity, water, sanitation. So all these things, municipal bodies. So all these are exempted. So these offices can function maybe during the period of lockdown. Yeah. So now I think we are coming to our thing. It is with respect to the private sector establishments. So it is very specifically commercial and private established. So it does not include the factories. So it shall also be closed down. So completely all the commercial and private. So the idea is no person should come out. So in order to avoid the spread of the virus, I think that is the idea. The number of persons coming out of homes or maybe roaming along the streets, it should be completely avoided. That is the idea. So that is the idea with which these institutions are also advised to close down. So of course it has its own exceptions. Now exception is under shops and establishments. It is shops including ration shops under PDS and dealing with food, groceries, fruits and vegetables, dairy and milk booths, meat and fish, all these are exempted. So banks, insurance offices and ATMs is exempted. Print and electronic media exempted. Telecommunications, internet services, broadcasting and cable services, IT and IT enabled services, again for the purposes of essential services. If it is in the essential services, then it is exempted. Not all the IT and IT establishments for their own purposes. That is not exactly is meant here. And of course, delivery of all essential goods, including food, pharmaceuticals, medical equipment through e-commerce. Again, petrol pumps. Petrol pumps, even if it is run by a private party, then it can keep open. It can function. Power generation, transmission and distribution units and services. Capital storage and warehousing service. So all these are exempted. They can keep open their establishments. Yeah. Yeah. So these are all other services like agricultural, sericulture, horticulture, animal husbandry, fisheries related shops and markets. Again, canteen services provided by government and local authorities, supply chain and related. So these are all certain areas which are clearly exempted from by the respective state governments. This is very specifically Karnataka government. In fact, they have issued a notification. In addition to whatever areas are considered to be essential services as declared by the central government, the Karnataka government has come up with their own additional areas. So maybe in Karnataka, whoever is involved in these kind of activities, they can keep open their offices. Yeah.